Welcome to the VOD. I'll just post this on the VOD channel. So if you're watching, hello. Chat's gonna give me places to go. Say hi to the VOD watchers. 4546B. Oh, that's the, isn't that the Subnautica planet? It's not in here. Okay, people are putting links, which I can do, but I gotta like, gotta copy. And then tabbing out sucks. Okay, this one was suggested by...
Barnard 68? It's about 500 light years away and it makes it look like a void. It's in the constellation Ophiuchus. It is about half a light
Barnard
year
68?
long. Really cool.
What is it? Makes it look like a void? Okay, I'll check it out after this one. What is going on with this? This one is suggested by I have quesophobia. Is this like a bugged object? It's a planemo, which means it's a rogue planet. What? So where's the light coming from? Is this why you suggested it? Because it's super weird? And what are all these? Dwarf moons. So where's the light coming from? I'm so confused. It's just bugged, right? But who said but, dude? Are these... Oh, I don't know. Are these lava? They are. So these are, yeah, Taurid asteroids. So these, all of them, look at the temperatures. Okay, so these are glowing red hot, which is illuminating the planet. That's crazy. I've never seen anything like this. This is cool. And then Barnard 68. Oh, there's a nebula. Looks like a void. It does look like a void. Where is it, bro? Whoa, whoa, look, it's black. Huh. Why is it black? That's interesting. That's a cool one. I wish we would have got this earlier for the YouTube video. Please go inside NGC 55. NGC 55. The galaxy. Irregular galaxy. Okay. Let's go inside. And what? Look for... Let's just look. See what kind of stuff we see. Anything interesting? Ooh. And there's a water world here too. Little lava planet with a lava moon down here. That's cool. And then I want to see this water world too. Nice. Any land on it? Green water? Never mind, it's gross.
SFS, also the cat's eye nebula monster looks like Halt from Roblox Doors.
Looks like Halt from Roblox Doors. I don't know what that is, but is it scary? Antenna Galaxy? Antenna. I should do... I don't think I've done a video. I've done videos going to other galaxies, but one where I just visit real galaxies and look at it, because look at this. This is the coolest galaxy I've ever seen, dude. Can we like find planets in like these arms? Well, you definitely can. Oops. There's a black hole here! Lucky, these are kind of rare to find. Black hole. Found by chance. What is our orbit situation? Wait, where's that black hole I was looking at? That's... Oh, it's here? We have planets orbiting the black hole. Binary with this giant star. And it can be binary because it's so... Oh, whoa. It's so small. Because usually the mass needed for something to be... I guess it's orbiting it, so it wouldn't have to be that massive. What's our mass? 41 times the mass of the sun, I think. And then what's this? 180 times the mass of the sun. That's insane. We got... What are these? Are these planets? Yeah, but there's stuff... There's planets orbiting the black hole too, but they're all getting burned up by the star. Cool. Chip, please go to planet coordinates. It has 2 planets with life and a binary system. Okay, I'll try it. Sorry that every time I click out of the game, it goes black. It's so annoying. The game doesn't have borderless, even though it claims it is borderless. Okay, aerial life. Interesting. I think I've only seen aerial life on gas giants. But aerial means that the life is in the air. So on gas giants, it would be like in the gas. There's, I don't know, I guess little... I don't know how aerial life would look. Is it just like microscopic stuff floating through the sky? Very, very green. What's our atmosphere composition? Nitrogen, water, oxygen, CO2. So it's the same as Earth. So what makes it green? Just the trace stuff? Or the surrounding light? I don't know. So this has aerial life. Earth similarity index 66, so not crazy. 9 atmospheres of pressure, so there's a lot more air. 6 times more air. The atmosphere is 6 times thicker. And then there's this one, cool marine terror with life, which looks more like Earth.
Go to NGC 6050 and turn
beaches.
Nebula brightness all the way up.
Is there a lot of nebulae in there? Rotate. This is cool. I hope one day they add like plants, but it's hard because you don't know what alien plants look like. But like some trees or something would really like help sell this, because right now the only evidence of life is like their texture that has some leaves. Wait, this? What's going on? Is that the ring shadow that I'm seeing? Yeah. Go to NGC 6050 and turn nebula brightness all the way up. NGC 6050. 50A? Oh, is this the double galaxy? It's the triple. I've seen this one before. Very, very, very cool. And then turn nebula brightness all the way up. I think we gotta be closer. What? Oh, I have procedural nebulae off still. Right? Yeah. Okay, so what we just did is made the brightness of all the nebulae in these galaxies way brighter, and that looks insane. That's so cool. Thank you for the 1 bit. Did you know trees are a super rare mutation, and as we know, are only found on Earth? I mean, I'm pretty sure every life form is only found on Earth, as we know. But are you saying that it would be unlikely if we found a planet with life for them to have trees? Well, there was a point. I'm not like educated on this, so don't like quote me, but I'm pretty sure there was a point in Earth's history where there were no trees, but there was other plants or something. I don't know. Trees are super rare. I mean, not anymore. NGC 4435, they're binary galaxies. So this is 3 galaxies together. SpaceEngine doesn't make procedural galaxies like this. So a lot of times the most interesting galaxies to find in this game are real ones. You should play Spore? I did. I beat the entire game. There's a YouTube video on it. Go check it out. Took forever. What was I looking up? NGC 4435. Binary galaxies, supposedly. Oh, yeah, it is. We do still have the nebulae brightness up. Let me fix that. Very cool. It has like a flat texture. I don't know how they texture it. It'd be cool to learn. If one of the devs of SpaceEngine wants to ever let me know, want to come on a video sometime, I would be so down. That'd be so cool. This looks like a coconut, dude. Oh, it's two-sided, double coconut. Are you ever doing SFS again? Yes. The last stream I did was SFS, Blueprint Review, YouTube video out today. So what I'm saying is we're more likely to find multicellular life than we would find trees. Interesting. You guys see the news stuff about they think there was life on Mars? They found stuff like the circles, like, I don't know. I should look more into that too. But they think that it's strong evidence of life. Not living, that they think that there used to be life. Coconut Nebula. This is what ChatGPT told me about why Barnard 68 appears pitch black. Appears so black because it's a dense cloud of cold gas and dust that blocks nearly all visible light from the stars behind it. The dust grains absorb and scatter starlight, making the nebula look like a dark void against the bright background of the Milky Way. They are called dark nebulae, also known as absorption nebulae. Interesting. They always say that kind of stuff. No, it's like legit, which is, I think, very interesting. How you know the Milky Way as a wave going... What is that message? You should do NGC 604, real nebula in triangulum. Yeah, I don't think we've seen any real nebulas in other galaxies yet. NGC 604.
Hi.
Yeah, triangulum nebula. Hello, Gone 1124. So here is a real nebula inside of a different galaxy. Which, if I Google this, what does it show? NGC 604. They can get a picture that good of it? Wow. Very, very cool. They found mineral formations that can only be formed by microbial life eating the rocks. Yeah. Which, if it was from life, means that life is probably pretty common in the universe, right? So when that probe gets to Europa, they could definitely find life. I hope they do. But also that brings in the Fermi paradox of, if life is so common, how come we haven't seen any? Look more into that if you're interested. Very, very interesting. I think it's very cool. Saturn's moon Mimas has a big crater that makes it look just like the Death Star. Yeah, I know what you're talking about. Here it is if you're interested. Right here. Slow down.
RGO 33381307. I've never seen something like this in SpaceEngine.
Okay, what is it? I will go. It's just a galaxy. It's just a galaxy. What do you mean, bro? Are you talking about the center of it? The black hole at the center? Looks cool. Can you go to Messier 82? Yeah. Where is it? It's just gonna be M82. That's right. Would you rather us be alone in the universe or have intelligent life similar to us living at Proxima Centauri b? Whoa, whoa, wait, this is cool. That's a good question. Alone in the universe or have intelligent life similar to us? Proxima Centauri b. The Proxima Centauri is the closest star. I think I pick that because even if that was true, I don't think in our lifetimes we would make contact. Maybe like distant contact, but not like, definitely not gonna go see them. And as humans are violent, we know this, but generally as humans get more developed, we're getting less violent. So maybe by the time, and if they're similar to us, hopefully it's the same. So by the time we're advanced enough to meet up with them, we'd be peaceful, and they would be too. Sean RGB has a coordinate. Let's check it. M82 is nicknamed the Cigar Galaxy. This one? That's where we are, right? Yeah. Ooh, planet with life? And rings? A lot of giant continents. Earth similarities at 90%. So here's like these giant mountain ranges again, which like I'd be interested in talking to a geologist. You know, it'd be a cool video. Get a geologist, or what is it? Is geologist the correct term? Someone who studies tectonics. Why are humans so violent? In my opinion, because to survive, you know, evolution. Like when we're tribal. Yeah, that's correct. The geologist. Like it's either fight or get fought. I mean, I just think you protect your own group of people and kill everyone else. Was good, but not anymore. And I think as we become more advanced, we've noticed that it's better to help everybody. Oh, it's even got a moon like Earth. I was saying it'd be cool to get a geologist on stream and we go look at some of these planets and ask, how realistic is that? You know, look at some of the formations, because I'm not a geologist, so I have no idea, but I think these giant mountain ranges like this, we don't see this on Earth because how do these form? Like maybe a small section like this, but not like a whole continent covered in it. The Nebula RN something, please, space chip. Okay, I got you. I'm just gonna copy it. I'm not typing that. Copy. By doc today for the first time in KSP. Congratulations. That's really hard to do, actually. I had to watch YouTube tutorials to figure that out. Is this was in the same galaxy? Are we in the Milky Way? We gotta be, right? Wait, was it? Oh, it's in this. Wait, that other planet that was just sent, was that in the same galaxy, or did it just not load me going here? This is cool. It looks like that coconut one, but red and not circular. Anything inside worth looking at? Any planets? A couple. Water world. Good night, Chip. I see you later, man. Good night. Yeah, we're gonna I'm gonna end stream soon. So if you've been dying for me to go somewhere and I just haven't read your chat, send it now. And I'll try to get the last few in that people want to see. MSH 1552. What's that? That's not on here. Go to the center of Andromeda. Here's the center. Black hole is here. Why can't I click on it? There we go. M31 is the central black hole of Andromeda. Okay, there's a lot. Everyone's typing stuff now. Stevenson 218, classic. Largest star we know of. Stevenson 218. Oh. I didn't click first. Lumpy star. Very big. What's our... What is metallicity? I don't know what that means. Because luminosity is how bright it is. Temperature, obvious. Metallicity. Sedna? I got you. Someone tell me what metallicity means. Sedna, right here. Procedurally generated in this game. Because I guess we don't really have any pictures of it. Maybe we do, but not good ones. Let me look it up. Sedna dwarf planet. No pictures. It's all artist renditions. How metallic it is. Like just how much metal's inside of it? How do they know that? Metallicity is how much metal there is. Okay, thank you. Messier 63. Sunflower Galaxy.
Spaceship go to TOI 849b, the largest terrestrial planet ever found, allegedly.
TOI 849b. Largest terrestrial planet ever found. I pressed... Okay. (849b). Yeah, here. Okay. So it seems like we don't know for sure that it's terrestrial because SpaceEngine has it listed as a gas giant. But it's 39 times the mass of Earth. So if it is terrestrial, yeah, that's very big. So bright. On 618. TON 618 is the largest black hole we know of.
Did you move?
Yeah, I did. It's in there. We speed up time, we'll be able to see the accretion disk moving around. Chip, I am desperate. Please go to Lumen 16A and 16B. It's on here. Lumen 16, A and B. Whoa! These are cool. Glowing gas giants. Brown dwarf? Oh yeah, they're brown dwarfs. Okay. And they're just orbiting each other. There seems to be nothing else here. The brown dwarf's like a failed star. Smallest kind of star. Two of them orbiting. It's cool. Please go to Pluto and bully it.
Go to Pluto and read the AM hate speech to it.
What's the AM hate speech? There's Pluto. Gross. don't even have pictures of this side. So it's just not even there. The game didn't even try to do anything here. Pluto. Sedna is a dwarf planet in the outermost reaches of the solar system, orbiting the sun far beyond the orbit of Neptune. It was discovered in 2003 and is roughly 1,000 kilometers in diameter. Spectroscopic analysis has revealed its surface to be a mixture of the solid ice of water, carbon dioxide, and ethane, along with sedimentary deposits. Methane-derived reddish-colored solins. So we do know it's reddish, I guess. Imagine the Kerbal Space Program system was in SpaceEngine. There's mods for a lot of stuff. Oh yeah, there's a mod for that. There's mods for the interstellar system too. And I think there's more. And it takes approximately 11,400 years to complete one orbit around the sun. That's crazy. NGC 2392. Nebula. Oh, the clown face nebula?
AM hate
it's like
speech
clown
and
makeup?
read it to Pluto.
What is AM hate speech? Oh, it's from... I have no mouth and I must scream. Let me tell you how much I've come to hate you since I began to live. There are 387.4 million miles of printed circuit. Okay, that's... it's the thing from that. How could we see Sedna but not Planet 9? I don't know. I'm not an astronomer. I just make videos. Go to WASP 139b. Dash. A lot of exoplanets are not anything really in SpaceEngine because it's just like the location and the mass, and then the game makes up everything else. Go to series. Got you. There's little series. Go to my favorite dwarf planet, Eris. My favorite by far. Okay, there's one more thing. Someone said ninth planet is Pluto. Mods. I got a telescope for my birthday yesterday. I took pictures of Venus and Saturn. That's cool. Telescopes are cool. IC 1101, that's the largest galaxy. I've been there. WASP 12b, we've been there too, but I'll show it. WASP 12b. Look at it. The egg planet from, I showed this one in a video. This was the thumbnail, I think, of a YouTube video. Egg planet. Make. All right, last thing, Make. We're looking at all the dwarf planets, I guess. Just chilling out here in the solar system. And we will return. Okay, why is it clicking on the asteroid? Oh, that's Mars. I can count lines, I swear. I meant to go to Earth. All right, everyone say goodbye to the VOD. If you watch the VOD W, come to the stream sometime. Get a beautiful view of Earth here. All right, thanks all for coming. We will return with, maybe we'll do a video like this, but with galaxies instead of nebulas. Nebula.
Bye.
When will YouTube video be posted? Usually like 3 days to a week is about how long it takes. Shout out to my editor. He does an amazing job. Okay, I'll see you all soon. I will, when I'm not busy traveling and everything, I will stream a lot more, I promise. See you later. Thank you for the 1 bit. Thank you for all the bits, everybody. I'll figure out the bit thing for next time on TTS. Basement editor. Goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye.